Come on. You knocked over all the clothes. Come on. Lily. Lily. As soon as I turn on the camera, you give up. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You're getting closer. You're getting mad. You're getting so much closer. Come on. Come on.
You got it.
You got it.
She's doing good.
You're doing great. Boy, don't find stuff and eat it off there. That's nasty. I don't even know what it could have been. A piece of sand? Yay! You made it to Mommy's hand. What was that? You're not eating stuff off the floor. Hey, Lily. Love you.
Oh.
You get a tissue for her nose, Alexa?
Sure.
Yay! You did it almost all the way. Look at you. You're still coming. You're almost here.